one of this. Or I will use x square, so that no need to insert a symbol of equations. Okay, now learn the question number 2. You can see that, okay, without using a calculator, calculate the value of sine 105, cosine 75, plus cosine 105, sine 75 degree. This kind of question it's a knowledge question. You already know how can you write 105 degree into terms of 60 degree plus 45 degree, or let's say yes, or you can also make 120 minus 15 degree, and 15 degree is what? Is 45 minus 30 degree. Cosine 75, you can write it as what? As 90 minus 15, or as 40 plus 30, or as 60 plus 15. So all these numbers you can do with and work with. You will never make mistakes. So first of all, don't tell that I will use calculator here. It's impossible. The question is looking for your steps. Okay, that's why calculator is not using this question, and it's out of the marks learners. So you should put all your knowledge in mathematics, especially in the trig function, trigonometric functions, and you should find the value of this. Knowing that learners, the sine A plus sine AB is what? You are going to use the expansion of cosine or the expansion of sine. You should decide which one is that, okay? But before solving this question for you, I will give you the formula, and then you are going to guess that the correct answer is sine A plus B, okay? Means that you are going to use sine A plus B. Okay, now learners, I will just go down for this question. Please, in the final exam, just go collecting marks. Try to collect marks where possible. After collecting your banal or your easy marks, then you are going to go back to the intermediate, okay, and then to the difficult one, okay. And if you face a question and you took more than 2 or 3 minutes, and you are seeing yourself that you're wasting time, so stop at this and continue going to the next question. After finishing your final exam, go back and redo what was redo the previous question. So learners, this is the question. I will give you 2 minutes to 3 minutes to think of this, okay. Me, I will prepare my the area where I should solve this question, okay. I will just do like that. I don't like this one. Okay, this one now needed. I am looking for another. Okay, another shape. This is now. Yes, I will use this one. This is new. Okay. Okay, no problem. Here, learners, just I will write the formula for you. We have, okay, insert the text. So we have a sine. In fact, I'm going to insert first of all a sine of alpha plus theta, okay. I will just write sine of, between parentheses, learners, alpha, okay, what is alpha, or phi, this is called phi in mathematics, plus psi, this is psi, okay. Therefore, I will just write this as either function is sine psi times cosine, okay, plus, because the sine should keep the sinus, okay, plus sine, okay, phi, okay, plus sine psi, plus sine psi, okay, times cosine phi, okay. Therefore, learns, or you can change as something you already know. It will be cosine a plus b, no problem, plus b, okay, is equal, learners, to sine a, okay, cosine b, then plus sine, let's say b, sine b, cosine of the angle A, okay. So this is about sine A plus B. I will just use the same and I will work sine A minus B. Copy. This is the first formula, learners. You should be familiar with this, okay. This is the first one. Now the second one I will make like that. Sine A minus B, sine A minus b is equal to sine A cosine b minus sine b cosine A. Okay, and for cosine, learners, I'll just now use cosine. I will go back to enter this one. I will make now cosine. Okay, cosine A plus b. Okay, cosine A plus b is equal cosine A, cosine B, cosine A, cosine B, minus, because when you are going to use the expansion of cosine, you should reverse what exactly? Reverse the positive. If it is positive, put negative. If it is negative, put positive. So therefore, this one is what exactly? Is negative. Negative sine A, okay, sine B, sine B, okay. This is the expansion of cosine when you add two angles. Now I will use the second one. I will use exactly when A minus B, when you differentiate, when you take the angle B from A. Okay, I'll put like that. I'll just write now this one. Shall I put it in the front? Okay. So I will just put like that. This is A minus B equal cosine A cosine B plus, we told this one is plus. Okay, these are the two formula. May you are going to apply it here, but regarding to the question, learners, we have sine A. I would suppose this is A, okay, sine A, okay, and this is the angle B, but you can see that this is the angle B. I'll put it, okay, this is the angle B. Therefore, I'll just write this as that. I will use the first one, the expansion of sine, okay, because this one is a definition. I'll just write this. I will go back to the question. This is, I will just appear with the red to tell that this is my angle A and this is my angle B, okay. Therefore, learners, I'm going to make a paste for this and I will calculate it, okay, like that. So I'll just write like that. Sorry, Mr. Murad, go back. Okay, how it comes here. This is my original function. Now at least I know which one I use. I will use the first one. So this one, learners, is equal in fact to sine A plus B, okay, equal sign between parentheses 105 degree, 105 degree, okay. I will just erase what is needed. 105 degree plus what, learners? Plus 75 degree, plus 75 degree, okay. I will take this one, plus 75 degree, okay. Now I will take this So therefore you can add the total of these two numbers. In fact, is what learners is 180. Okay, 8 plus, we told that, plus, okay, this is in between parentheses, okay, plus what learners, plus 75 degree. Then I should close my parentheses. Okay, but this one I'm going to write it there if it is possible. Okay, therefore learners, 105 plus 75 gives me exactly 180. So I'll just write this as that we told, okay, equal sign of 180 degree. Hello bro, how are you? So it will be 180 degree. Okay, therefore sine of 180 degree learners is 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Therefore, without calculation, I use it, let's say, the knowledge equation, the formula. Okay, I wish this one is clear for you. Okay, so this is how to solve this equation, learners. It's very important for you to, for example, this is 3 out of marks. The formula should be written on back of the final exam. If you write this as that and write, let's say, sine of 105 plus 75 equal, you will get here 1 mark. Then this is 2 marks. Okay, so therefore this is how can you solve this equation, learners. Make sure that your methods and the steps are very important, okay, because you cannot, let's say, immediately write the answer. Okay, there are some steps you should be written, okay, and don't jump the steps. Steps are very important. The last, let's say, the last answer, the output that you, or the result that you are going to find, may it will be out of 1 mark, may it will be out of half, and the question is out of 4 marks, meaning there are some steps. Don't forget, write whatsoever. Okay, yes, this is my question exactly, because the final exam, learners, you should be familiar with this kind of questions. Okay, it's very easy for you to do this one. Okay, if you revise well and you did your best, so it's very important for you. Okay, so therefore just I will error. Okay, 41. Yeah, it works here. Now I'll stop here, learners. Okay, then I will continue. Okay, I will have another lecture. Okay, and the streaming, so it comes here. YouTube not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming as such view. Okay, so the YouTube is not receiving enough. Okay, is not my problem. Okay, YouTube. So why you create YouTube? Tell that. So please, this is all of these learners are learners very important for you. Okay, and you should work very hard so that you can solve problems and be ready for this. Okay, now learners, we continue. We just we told that I will come here. Okay, therefore we continue. Okay, this is my live. I am live now. You can continue joining your lecture, learners. Okay, your mathematics teacher will never stop doing your free online revision, and this free online revision will be continuous. No one can stop your pioneers in maths. Okay, else God subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I wish at least that you get the point. How can you solve these questions? Okay, the more you practice, the less you'll face problems, learners. And make sure that I'm here to be proud of who you are, simply because you are working and you are doing your best, and your mathematics teacher is also looking for you to collect smart minds, okay, those who love mathematics, those who love challenging, those who love let's say defying mathematical problems, and want, let's say, to dive into diverse fields in mathematics. Your mathematics teacher, the pioneering methods, is here always for you to guide you. Okay, now we continue for the next question. The next question, learners, is that I told that I'm going to make a copy for this where I should show my work. Okay, the second question is that, learners, okay, I'm going back slowly, step by step. Okay, slowly, Mr. Murad, like that. Okay, the question here, given that cotangent of A is quarter, is 1/4, and cotangent of A minus B is 8. Calculate the value of tangent of B. Okay. Here, learners, just you know that cotangent of A minus B is reciprocal, the reciprocal function of 1/tangent A minus B. Therefore, you are going to write the formula of tangent of A minus B and then find the reciprocal of this. I will just start like that. I will let's say paste the rectangle or the square that I'm going to solve on it, learners. Okay, okay, I will just I use this one. Okay, no need for no need for this. I will just cut this one. Okay, go back. Okay, where I'm here, I'll check where I was exactly. Okay, I thought it's here, but yes, this one, learns. Okay, so again, I'm going to read the question again and try at the same time that your mathematics teacher is explaining, you also you should try by yourself till you can, let's say, find the answer before your teacher. Because me, let's say, it took times because I'm typing on the software, but you as a paper, so it's easy for you to continue and to find it at the first. Okay, now, learners, I'll just start solving this question. We told that cotangent of A is equal 1/4. This is a detail, is given. I'll just insert let's say text. Okay, so I will just write tangent or cotangent of A minus B, learners, is exactly equal to 1 divided by tangent of A minus B, simply because cotangent and tangent are called the reciprocal function. Okay, I'll just write 1 over what exactly over tangent A between parentheses A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Okay, or, learners, you know that tangent of A minus B in fact is equal to tangent A minus tangent B, all divided by 1 plus tangent A multiplied by tangent B. So therefore I prefer to write this, okay, there. Okay, I prefer to write, okay, or I'll just write or, learners, we have tangent of A minus B, I will just write it here, is equal, in fact, we told I will use a fraction, is tangent A minus tangent B. Okay, I will just write it here, tangent A, tan A, okay, minus tan B, tan of the angle B, divided by 1 plus 10a plus 10a 10b. Okay, this is, learners, exactly the tangent of a minus b is equal to that. Therefore, learners, I'm going now to, first of all, to make my handwriting bigger so that every one of you can see it. Okay, even those who can't see, maybe they have a problem while seeing, maybe they can use their own glasses. Your mathematics teacher is here also thinking of those who, let's say, have problems in seeing. So just I will do like that. Therefore, learners, now I'm going to do this one. I'll just write cotangent of a minus b is in fact equal to that, okay, equal to 1 divided tangent a minus b. Tangent of a minus b, learners, is that, okay, I will replace tangent a minus b, learners, by what? By tangent a minus tangent b over 1 plus tangent a tangent b, okay. Or we just multiply this by that, gives me 1, okay. I will just, okay, I will make cross multiplying. I will just write it here. Therefore, this is means I point E means that, okay, I will make tangent A times, I'll just, or I will make easy here, it will be tangent tangent A minus B equal 1 over cotangent A minus B. I will write it here. I will do this again because it's very important, okay. So therefore, learners, here you can write, okay, tangent of, I will just write here tangent of A minus B equal 1 divided by cotangent, y divided by cotangent. But learners, cotangent of A minus B is given. I can write it as 1 divided by 8, isn't it? I will write equal, okay, this is 1 over 8, I'll just write 1 over 8, like that, okay, 1 divided by 8, okay. Now, it's clear that tangent A minus B equal 1 over 8, because cotangent of A minus B is 8, okay. Now, I'm going to use the expansion of tangent, the difference between two angles, or when A takes B away, I will use this one. Therefore, learners, I will try to extend this as possible. Okay, also I'm going to do like that. Yes. Also I'm going to do like that. Yes. Therefore, I will expand this one. I will just write it now, learners. We told tangent, I will just write this again. Okay, copy. So I will tell that tangent A minus B in fact is that, okay, is tangent A minus tangent B, okay, over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. But what is cotangent of A, learners? Cotangent of A is 1/4. Okay, therefore tangent of A is 4, okay, because cotangent of A and tangent of A are reciprocal. If cotangent of A is 4, means that tangent of A is 4, okay. The product of 4 and 1 over 4 is 1, therefore I will write here is 4, okay, minus tangent of B. Tangent of B is not given. 1 plus 4 times B, 4 times tangent of B. Therefore, learners, we have two fractions which are identical, equal. I will use cross multiplying. I will make 8 multiplied by 4 minus tangent B equal 1 multiplied by, okay, 1 plus 4 tangent B. Therefore, this one, learners, will exactly give me that. Okay, I'll just do like that. Means that 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. I'll just write Or I will write, okay, I will explain this better than this. 8 multiplied by 10, 4 minus tangent B. I need only this one, Mr. Murad. Good man. Okay, so we told that 8 times 4 minus tangent B, and this one should be equal what, learners? Equal 1 times 1 plus 4 tangent B. This is tangent, okay, tangent. This is 10, okay. Therefore, I'll just write it here is 1. I want the black one so that you can differentiate between these trig functions. It will be 1 times what, learners? Times 1 plus tangent 4 tangent B. Okay, I will open the parentheses here like that. Then I will, okay, I will close it. Then and down inside I will put my trig function. Therefore, learners, it's easy for you now. Just expanding 4 by 8 is 32 minus 8 tangent B equal 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 4 is 4 tangent B. Therefore, you should collect like terms, means you are going to transfer 4 tangent B to the left hand side, and you should transfer, let's say, 32 to the left hand side, or vice versa. So I'll just write this as that, okay. Therefore, I will just try to summarize this. I will just write that, you see here, or I will, this is 8 multiplied by negative tangent B. Okay, it will be negative 8 tangent B. When it will be transferred to the right hand side, it will be 12. 12 tangent B. Okay, tangent the angle B, capital, Mr. Murad. What happened to you, Mr. Murad? Capital. Okay, 10B. This one, 10B. Oh, what happened? Okay, this one, learners, we told because we transfer negative tangent B to the right hand side, and also you can see this one, 8 is multiplied by this, so you should transfer negative 8 tangent B to the right hand side, and plus 4 tangent B, it will be 12 tangent B. Therefore, this one, 1 multiplied by 1, learners, is 1. You should transfer 1 from right hand side to left hand side. Left hand side, we have A by 3 by 4, 32. 32 minus 1, it will be 31, equal 31. 31. Therefore, learners, tangent B is what? Is 31 divided by 12. Okay, as a conclusion, okay, you can see that. I don't know if you have a space or no, okay, but I will do it like that. Okay, therefore, learners, this is tangent B is that, okay, is in fact, okay, we told 10B, okay, just write 10B. 10B is equal to what, learners? Okay, 31, this one. Therefore, we told the tangent of B is in fact equal, okay, I will extend this one so that I can find the space at least. Yes, like that. Therefore, learners, we told tangent of B, I will make this is small at least to figure out the last answer. Okay, 14, 18, make 14. Okay, 14, it's okay. Or 16, put 16, Mr. Murad, it's better than 18. Okay, I have space. Now just this one I'll put in front, like that. Therefore, we told that tangent B now is what? Is, learners, equal to 31 over 12. Equal, okay, I will use a fraction, okay, we told 31 over what? Over 12, 31 divided